I have a partner with 2 young kids and 3 older boys from a previous relationship. They've been great support through this process, and I'm going to be relying on them in the near future again. 10 years ago I was diagnosed with multiple myeloma. It's been an interesting journey. I've relapsed 12 months ago. So I've had 2 stem cell transplants in that time. So it looks like I'll be doing another stem cell transplant soon. I've been a trial participant, an active trial participant over the course of my treatment. Most recently, I did a zoster virus trial. It's a double-blind trial, so I don't actually know if I received the actually attenuated virus. My first trial was for a stem cell mobilising factor called Mosable. Stem cells are a necessary part of the transplant. My doctor suggested I try it, and it was a great success. I'd have to say it was a tough trial, but I had 3 million stem cells sitting in the freezer, and in fact when I needed them for the second transplant, there they were. What it did, I think, is it sort of set me on the course saying, okay, you know, trials can produce good results. So then I became probably much more engaged in the trial process. When I became much better after the transplant, I had this period of about 7 years of pretty good health. In that period, when I was no longer so much absorbed in my own welfare, I started thinking, well, okay, how can I engage and participate in the cancer community? I was a committee member on the Myeloma Foundation. I got involved in peer support and cancer council, and they're all rewarding things, but probably the thing that has been the most rewarding really is being involved in trials. Then I started realising that actually talking to people about my concerns and engaging and inviting other people into the process, I suddenly realised actually cancer is a bit of a team sport. It's not actually an individual sport, and the more you can involve people in your care, actually the easier it is. Sharing your fears and concerns, it shares the load. The staff that were looking after us, they would greet you with sort of open arms, and the doctors the same, and so you're getting the best possible health care while you're there. And even that I discovered was a huge advantage, because you're getting like a second opinion for free. It's actually not a bad idea to get a slightly different view. On a couple of occasions that's been quite valuable to me. With a trial, they're devoted almost to your well-being and care, and it's a very supportive and positive dynamic, and of course because they've got a slightly medical research background, they're great sources of knowledge, so you can ask them about anything. They can talk about what's going on in the field, what are the sort of potential promising drugs that they're looking at or trials. So you suddenly got access to all this information from people right at the coalface. You come away feeling quite energised by it. You have these opportunities to draw positives, and I think that's what it is. It's the trial is just a very nurturing and positive environment, because you've just immersed yourself in this community of people who are all trying to help you, or help the cancer community generally, find improved cures. Much better than sitting on my backside at home feeling sorry for myself. You're part of a community, and I think we all get something out of being engaged in that community, and we are uniquely placed as people with a certain condition or cancer to help take all that investment and turn it into something good. If we don't do that, then that investment doesn't count for anything. If I'd say to anyone who's contemplating doing a trial, if you're going to do it, do it properly, stick with it, follow it through. Every day I look for ways to find positive in the otherwise bad things that define having cancer. So this is one of them. I think some of the best times or the best experiences I've had have actually been involved in trials. You come away feeling, well, I feel good about that.